What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sims ATV repair. So I did a part 1 of the carburetor on this, on my baby, and I haven't got around to fooling with it because I guess you could say money and being a dad has just kind of been tough. But I got the gas tank just sitting on here and everything. I got it all, my shed rearranged and everything, so the bike can go in here and other customers can have their four-wheeler or whatever in here for me to work on. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go on ahead and we're gonna order a carburetor. Found one for a decent price, cheaper than $300. I ain't spending $300, but yeah, we're gonna put a new one on there. Maybe change out the spark plug, and later on replace this. But we're gonna, damn, piece of junk. But yeah, we're gonna get it back going. Tires, I already got both of them. Top end's been rebuilt. New piston. Even though it don't look it. New crankshaft, casing. New timing chain. Valve sleeves, a whole 9 yards with a 2-stroke chain on it. Brand new battery. It don't look it neither, but it's brand new. And my plans is to eventually replace this with a new one. We gotta eventually replace the grips and replace this with a new one. And I'm thinking about going, I don't know yet, really. But that's what we're working on, buddy. So, I'll hit y'all. Oh, and this is brand new. It came with another one of these, but I didn't put it on there because it didn't have this piece, which is ground for when the bike dies. You can just grab this clutch and crank it back up, which is actually brand new electric start. All new electrical harness all the way to the back. So yeah, I might just try to clean up them grips. If anybody knows what I need to use to clean them up, I'll probably get some new throttle cables. But anyways, yeah, so I might even fix it up and sell it. But I'll hit y'all back with another video on part 3. This is Sims ATV Repair. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all in the next video.